Hello friends, today we are going to talk about tables in HTML. So, tables in HTML are defined using table tag. So first of all, let me paste the basic structure over here. Now, I was telling you all that tables can be defined using table element. That is like, opening of the table begins like this. Then comes the tr tag. So, the tables or the rows in the table are defined using tr tag. So let's say I want three three rows in my table. So I will just put tr, close this tag, and the rows are divided into table columns, or the columns of the rows are divided using td tag. So if I put td over here, it will create a normal table. That means a row is divided by a column. But if I don't put td tag, it will not happen. So I will give you an example. But first of all, let me just make 2-3 tables to help you understand better. So now in this row, I will not use td tag, so that you can understand what I was talking about. Okay. The table data tags that are td acts as data containers within a table. You can type anything that contains HTML elements such as text or other types of thing between td and tr. Okay. Now let's see the border and call span attributes. A border can be added to a table using border attribute that would be added near table. So before closing table tag, you just need to type border and you need to type a number that would be pixels. Okay, so let's say I want to type 2. Okay, now we go to cell. A table cell can span 2 or more columns. That would be defined in td. So that I can define over here. So first of all, let me close the tr. I want to tell you that tds are defined in between the trs. Okay, so whatever we have started a table with a row and we have divided them using columns, and we type here something, let's say red, then we close this tag td. So basically these are the rows and columns, these are the rows of the table, and these are the columns which will contain the names. So if you want to create an empty column, you can just type td and close the td tag, and don't type anything in between. It will create a empty table. Now let's say I type td blue, and then I close this tag. Then let's go and type let's say green, or let's say yellow, and then we close this tag. Sorry, I forgot to put T over here. Then you can close the tr tag because our table is completely ready. Tr, and then we close this tag, and then we are going to start another table with another tr tag that will contain a br tag also, because we want to break a line over here. So let's say as I told you, td can contain all type of HTML elements, and br, though it's a element or a scripting stuff, but it is also an element in HTML. So we can put it under td. After that, we close this tag. Oh, it became rtd. Then we open the call span. As I told you, the cell can span 2 or more columns, so that is call span. Then we open td with a call span column, and then we type 2. And friends, on this note, I would tell you all that whatever I tell you here, that you must practice them and then you will understand better. Only after practicing a man becomes perfect. You must have heard about this. Okay, now I want to close this cold span and TD tag. Then we go to break line tag because you want to break a line here. And then we close TD tag. TD. And okay, now let's close this TR tag. And then we close this table tag. Okay, now let's save and run this file to see what is the result. So let's say I just save it with name tu and a .html extension. Oh, sorry. .html. Now I will save it and let's go and see how our looks like. So this is our document section and where I saved it, this is here. This is how it appears like. These are the TDs like red, blue, yellow, and we haven't broke a line over here, that's why it's appearing like blue. Call span I have written over here, that's why it's connected. Okay, now we go to call span color. So let's say I want to add a thing in call span where the empty table is. So I will go to TD where after these red, blue, yellow, green, then we go to TD, we open TR tag and then we type, let's say, yellow over here to insert yellow in there. And instead of this, I will type orange in order to fill my table. So these words will take up the empty spaces in the web page. So let's save. So the first thing that I enter is yellow, then is orange. So it will take up the first. So let's go to add. You will understand better after seeing it. So you see, I have typed yellow first, so it has taken the first blank. Then I have typed orange, and there is no other blank, so it's taking the place of orange. As you can see in this, they are nothing. But now in the other tab, they are filled. Now let's talk about the align and border BG color attributes in table. So let's go and to our WordPad. To change your table's position, you can use the align tag. We have to use align tag in the table section only. So let's say I want to align it to center. So I will type align equals to center. After that, the table would be aligned to center. Let's save and run this file. So here we are. So you see, this time our table is aligned to center. In the previous one it was aligned to corner, but now it's aligned to center. Now let's talk about the background color attribute or BG attribute. Specify a background color of a red for a table row. So you can try any color, but I'm giving you an example with red. So you just have to make a TD column in that section, or you can use the previous TD column, and then you have to type DG color COLR, and then let's change this to red. Then you can close this tag. So now the table's color here would be red, and this is the stuff that will be typed in there. Sorry friends. Now let's save and run this file. So we are here, and you see in the why didn't it happen? Let's see. I must have made a mistake. BG color in TD equals to red. So yes, so you first of all have to open this tag, or else your color would not be saved. Now it would run, I hope. Yes, now you see the red color tag is turned into red color. So in case of styling elements, CSS is more effective than HTML. So try our free Learn CSS course too to learn more about CSS and its styles. So thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel. Thank you.